A young athlete training in a GP Elite gym, looking determined but struggling with all worn-out gear. Every champion starts somewhere, but not every journey is easy. Many athletes face struggles beyond the ring, beyond the field, financial hurdles, lack of access to quality gear, and lost opportunities. At Infinity Sports, we believe no athlete should be left behind. Our mission is simple: provide the gear and the support and the financial aid needed to turn dreams into victories. Through technology and community, we bridge the gap between talent and opportunity.
Infinity Sport isn't just a company, it's a movement. We can change together, we can change the game, one athlete at a time.
Oh!
BBM!